Hello and welcome to a new episode of Easy Chinese Writing. Today we want to look at the character yu, meaning rain. In ancient inscriptions, the character yu was a pictograph showing raindrops falling from the sky. Hence the meaning rain, as in the expression 下雨, to rain. Yu is also used as a radical component in complex characters related to weather phenomena. Here are some examples. The radical yu appears in green. Let's see the examples. 雪 snow, 雷 thunder, 露 dew, 雾 fog, 霜 frost, 暴 hail. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see all my latest videos, hit the notifications bell. I would love to hear from you, so please leave me a comment. See you in the next episode.